We are decorating the tulip found in the Easter Do-It-Yourself kit. We are going to outline the first petal and then add some white icing to make a variegated look. This is just a different technique to give you some ideas of what you can do with your 3 colors of icing found in your kit. You of course can reverse these colors or use one solid color to fill in the first petal. To help settle your icing, you can give your cookie a few taps. I'm going to add a little more white icing to make it easier to work with. And then I'm going to use my scribe tool to drag and pull the lines to make it really incorporated and make those lines nice and dainty and to give it more of a natural look. When working with the wet on wet icing, just make sure you're working fairly quickly because once it settles it will leave some lines that you may not like. Next, we can go ahead and outline the second petal and fill that in. And again, take your white icing and add a little more variation if you'd like, or leave it plain. Now let's fill in that last petal, and all you do is outline and fill it in. You can also add some sprinkles that are included in your kit as well to finish it off. Enjoy!